What's up, guys? This is my Waterbox Frag 60. A few months ago I went on vacation. Unfortunately my system did crash on me. Today I'm going to be looking to probably get this thing re-going here again. Everything died when I was on vacation. It was pretty bad. I came back and it was just toast. Had somebody wash the tank for me, but didn't really go as planned, so it is what it is. Gonna be doing the sump and everything. Gonna redo it all. So yeah, let's get to it. Alright guys, just got all the rocks taken out and stuff. Slowly gonna start draining the top of the tank. Once I get all that drained out, I'm gonna go ahead and remove the sump and get on to the next level. Right, guys, here's the aftermath. Shitty. When your reef tank dies, you lose all your corals and everything, you know, it sucks. Just live and learn, and best you can do is just restart. Just take it from there. Yo, how's it going, guys? I was finally able to get all the water drained, got the tank all cleaned out, and it's pretty much ready to go now. Just started actually filling it back up with some RO water, and you know, should probably take all day, but we'll get it filled up here and get this tank started again. Yep, salt is in, water's mixing. Should be pretty fast. I usually like to use Fritz salt. Still gotta get everything set up here on the bottom. Telling you guys, this is the ultimate combo right here. T5s with the AI Hydra 26. The tank again. Got it all filled up. Power head is on. Salt's mixed. Heater is in. Don't mind the heater being up top right now. Gonna throw it in the bottom. It's just currently because just wanted to just get it all warmed up so the salt just dilutes a little bit easier. Currently I got all my rock here and stuff. Just had to rinse it all out. I'm using an SCA 302 skimmer. And let's start doing some aquascaping. The rock that I had in here before is the Carib Sea branching rock. Kind of liked it a lot, so it gives a great scape. Especially with the lagoon style tanks, it just looks awesome. Here we go. Yo guys, finally got the water in the tank. The tank is currently cycling. Sorry the lighting looks kind of bad. Try to fix this here actually. This is a little better. There we go. Alrighty, so yeah guys, got the tank all running again. Rocks are all in here. And we're just gonna cycle it. Get it going here nice and slow. Take my time on it. You don't ever really typically want to rush the cycle. Some bad things end up happening. You're gonna start losing fish, all that stuff. There's one thing in this hobby I've learned, it's definitely patience. Love the way this rock looks. It's all the branching rock by Carib Sea. The skimmer going too. Just breaking it in. Tank's not running yet, or at least the pump ain't out the top. I just got my circulation pump on. And yeah,